Unit 9, 2D measurements and modeling. Area of triangles, squares, rectangles, and parallelograms. So the area of a triangle. So first we're going to label this. We have this is the height, which forms a right angle here, and this is the base down here. So the area of a triangle with base B and height H is area equals 1/2 base times height. Area of a square. So first let's, if it's a square, the four sides are congruent and there are four right angles. So you might have to draw those in. And it has side S. So the area of a square with side S is area equals S squared. Area of a rectangle. So we have the height is here, base is here. The area of a rectangle with base B and height H is area equals base times height. And the last one, the area of a parallelogram. So here you have the height. Here forms a right angle here with the base. So it says the area of a parallelogram with base B and height H is area equals base times height. Next page. Example 1. It says find the area of the triangle below. So the equation for the area of a triangle is area equals 1/2 base times height. So we have the base is 14, the height is 5, so area equals 1/2, base is 14, height is 5. Put that in your calculator and you're going to get area equals 35. There are no units here, so we'll just call it units squared. You have to square the units because it's the area. And that's your answer. Example 2. Find the area of the square below. So the equation, area equals S squared. So area equals 9 squared. Each side is 9. So area equals 81. This one has units, feet squared. Example 3. Find the area of the rectangle below. The equation, area equals base times height. So area equals 8 times 5. The area equals 40 centimeters squared. Next page. It says find the area of the parallelogram below. So we have area equals base times height. Area equals 2.5 is the base times 1.8. So when you do that on your calculator, you're going to get area equals 4.5 and it's meters squared. It says find the area of the figure below. So what we're going to do is, we draw this in here, you can divide it up into two shapes. So you have the rectangle here and the square here. You can find this side here because you know the whole thing is 4 and then this is 2. So that means there's 2 centimeters left over for this side. And then here this whole side would be 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. So that's 6 centimeters for that side. So when you draw the two shapes that we're doing, you have the rectangle and you have the square. This is 6 centimeters, this is 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and 2 centimeters. So we'll find the area of each, and then you can add them together. So the area of this is 6 times 2, which is 12 centimeters. Then the area of this is 2 squared. So the area of the square is 4 centimeters. So then you can say the total area equals 12 centimeters squared plus 4 centimeters squared. So final answer is total area equals 16 centimeters squared. Last page. Triangle ABC has an area of 120 meters squared. AD equals 10 meters. And BD equals 8 meters. And then it says find CD, which is this, you need this here. So we're going to start with our equation is area equals 1/2 base times height. Now what we need to find is the base in order to be able to find this piece. So they gave us the area in the directions is 120. So you're going to put 120 equals 1/2 base, which we need to find, times the height is 10. So then when you do this out, you get 120 equals 1/2 times 10 is 5b. Divide both sides by 5. We're going to get b equals 24. So then that's this whole thing is 24. BC is 24. So what we need to do is take the 24. We need to find CD. So you're going to do CD equals 24. And then you're going to subtract the 8. And whatever's left is CD. So CD equals 16. And we need our units, which is meters. It's not meters squared because it's not the area. It's the length of this. So it's just meters. Example 7. In the parallelogram below, find DE. So DE is here. We're going to need to find the area first in order to be able to solve for this. So area equals base times height. So area equals, your base is 9.4, height is 13. So the area equals 117. So now when you put that in, you can get the height here. Base times height. So you're going to put the area in, 117 equals, so your base is 9.4. And then we'll call this height here D. That's what we can call it. And then when you do that on the calculator, because you're going to divide by 117 by 9.4. So then DE is about 12.4, and the unit is inches. Again, it's not inches squared because you're not finding the area. You're just finding this piece right here, DE. So it's just 12.4 inches. As I'm looking at this, I realize I wrote this incorrectly. When this is because first you had to get the area of the rectangle to figure it out, because you don't have the height of the parallelogram. So it would be 9. That's why this 9 is up here. 9 times 13. It does equal 117. I just wrote it wrong here. So it should be the 9 times 13. Then you get the area, which is 117. Then you can use the equation to get the height of the parallelogram, which is DE. And you would still just plug the area in, and then equals 9.4. DE, you would divide both sides by 9.4, and then you could get DE is 12.4 inches. So again, up here, that should be 9 times 13. And that's the end of the lesson. Have a good day.